Hello traders, that week was really very difficult and we need to analyze this experience to avoid losses in future. So let's start from gold. I really believed that the price will go higher and I closed my eyes on these HFTs volumes which happened here and with this divergence because really my expectations, my bullish expectations were so strong that it was difficult even to admit the thought that the market will go down. And after news, after CPI, it was higher than expected, so inflation rose, and everybody understands that Powell's speech will be more hawkish, even if the interest rate will be raised as expected on 0.75%, as everybody expects. The Powell can, in his speech, be more aggressive in monetary policy. So, because of inflation and in such a way gold went down because dollar strengthened. And even after this, for me, that was a possibility to close the position here after this HFT's volume. But I waited and got a stop loss on the half of my position. Of course, it is good when the risk-reward ratio is like here was 1 to 3.25. So in any way, this position was profitable, but it is better really to avoid losses if you see that market tells you that something goes not according to your scenario. It is better to close the position, and I think it is a mistake to hope and to wait when the stop loss will be activated. But for now, traders, after this breakdown and also on the distance, these selling meter orders were activated of traders which are long-term on the daily chart, and we saw block trades. Block trades is very important information in options for us because it lead often to market reversals and global market reversals like we see here on gold. The changing of the uptrend was after a lot of asks, big trades and block trades, and now we see the mirror picture. And to my mind, really, this strong imbalance in futures market, also in options market, also we see a very peculiar divergence here. And to my mind, really, the next week we will see that the market will return to this zone. And maybe we will see a pullback even higher because in such case, I really don't see the fuel for the market to go further to the downside. All the passengers were liquidated, so the path of least resistance, to my mind, is bullish. The next bad prediction was US Treasuries. It was really very difficult week in this asset, and we saw that after this HFTs, the market went sharply to the downside. I predicted here that the market will go to the upside, but this was the information that something is not according to our plan. But from here, I really tried to buy and got a stop loss. I saw these peculiar divergences and expected that market maker will unload here the position, at least here. I think that in this situation, I also could to put my stop loss in break even because when market is coiling, it is the information that something goes not according to the plan. It is better to re-enter or not to enter, even to lose this opportunity, but to act according to the plan. If I put stop in break-even in this situation, then there will be possibility to re-enter here and to have a second chance, because I think really that now from here we have additional fuel to go to the upside after these strong divergences and these HFTs volumes. But of course, it is necessary to see that the price will fix above these HFTs and only then to enter buying position. Better predictions were in natural gas and wheat. Natural gas went really according to our plan. As you remember, after this coiling of market and these HFTs, I predicted that after the price will break this zone and on retest it will go higher. There is a very huge increasement in
shorts of hedge funds. As you see, during the whole week they opened their short positions, and for now the price can return to the commercial level here. But of course it is very important to break this volume level, because here we have two strong resistances, and it is good if the price will break or test, and then it will go to 8.5.
And it really happened even much stronger than I expected. Then market made a very beautiful reversal after these HFTs and divergence. But unfortunately, I really didn't participate in this trade. Even I saw that here there is a very good resistance on the daily chart, because a lot of options were traded. But I didn't want to open position before market close. And the next day I also really missed this selling opportunity, which was a natural gas, but it is really beautiful. So as you see, traders, that the market goes from one imbalance, which happened here, to another imbalance, which ask imbalances. So we can use this tick volume analysis in our trading, because it is the really objective facts, not subjective as we can interpret the price action, but the volumes are really objective facts which passed in the time and sales, and it is really the only information which is objective on market. It gives very important confidence to decision making. And what about wheat? We predicted that from here the price will go to the downside and reach this level.
The reason is also that we see hedges in block trades on call options in wheat, and as you see very often, when traders hedge from the upside movement, the price goes to the downside. When traders hedge from downside movement, it goes to the upside. It can be not very strong movement, but still, after traders hedge, there is a big possibility that the price will make a reversal. And additional proof, of course, it is important to take from a futures market. And here we see these HFTs volumes, and also here not very big, but still it is a divergence between delta, volume delta, and quantitative delta.
But as you see, it was not easy to use this opportunity, because this market coiling was not according to the plan. So the prediction was right, but to use it in the proper way was really impossible here, to my mind. So traders, I don't want to make some prediction this week, because after that hard week I don't feel enough confidence to do this, and it is very important to put your mind in the right order, and only then to make trades and to make predictions. So traders, sometimes we can feel some difficulties on the market, but the difference between professional trader and the amateur is that we can pass through these difficulties and not to lose much of our assets. And the most important is to stay alive in market and to wait the situations which will be enough clear and understandable for you. And traders, please write in the comment section what was this week like for you. It was positive or negative, or you have not made any deal and saved your money. It will be very interesting for me. I wish you understandable and clear market the next week, and see you on the other side next Sunday. Goodbye.